In today's video, we're going to cover how to create a habit tracker in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold your tracker. This gives you one place to manage your habits and review them over time. Once the page is open, move to the area where you can add content and create a new database. Choose a table database so each habit entry has its own row and each detail can be stored in its own column. With the table in place, set up the properties you want to track. Add a habit property for the name of the habit. Add a date property so each entry is tied to a specific day. Add a status property to show whether the habit was completed or not completed. Add a streak property if you want to record how many days in a row the habit has been maintained. Add a category property to separate habits into groups such as health, work, or personal routines. Then add a notes property for any extra detail you want to keep with the entry. After the structure is ready, begin adding your habits. Create a new entry for each habit you want to track. Depending on how you plan to use the tracker, you can enter habits one by one and fill in the date, status, and any other fields as you go. The goal here is to make sure each habit is represented in the database so you can start logging progress consistently. Next, create different views for the same database. Keep the table view for a full list of entries. Add a calendar view if you want to see habits laid out by date. Add a board view if you prefer to organize entries visually, such as by status or category. These views all pull from the same database, so you are not creating separate trackers. You are only changing how the information is displayed. Once the views are in place, update your habits as you go through each day. Mark each habit as completed or not completed. This keeps the tracker current and gives you a clear record of what happened on a given date. If you are using a streak field or notes field, update those at the same time so the information stays aligned. To make the tracker more useful, organize it with filters, sorting, or grouping. You can filter by date to focus on a specific day or period. You can sort by category or completion status to bring related habits together. You can also group entries to compare habits in a way that fits your routine. This part helps you look at the same data from different angles without changing the entries themselves. From there, review your progress regularly and keep updating the tracker as your habits continue. Your Notion habit tracker is now set up and ready to monitor your daily progress.